Before buying your Dreambaby gate, measure the space to be enclosed and work out which gate you'll need. This may mean buying an extension or two, but remember you can only use a maximum of 2 extensions with any gate, one on either side. And remember, we also have 2 different heights of gates to choose from, regular and extra tall. When you unpack your Dreambaby gate, you'll notice a gap at the door opening. This is normal with pressure-mounted gates, and the gap will disappear when it is correctly installed. Place the gate in the opening so that the bottom of the gate frame is completely flat on the floor. Make sure the mounting cups are aligned vertically so that the ones on the top are directly above the ones on the bottom. Next, fasten the mounting cups to the wall with screws or double-sided tape. When using with stairs, the mounting cups must be screwed into place. Tighten the tension knobs by turning them clockwise at the same time. Start with the lower ones, then do the top. While doing this, make sure that the bottom of the gate frame always remains completely flat on the floor. Tighten the tension knobs until the 2 indicator lines located on the locking mechanism are level and align horizontally. Make sure there is a 1mm or 0.04 inch gap. To open, slide the button and lift the door. The door swings open in both directions. Release the door and it will swing closed automatically. Try this a few times. Periodically, check everything is working fine, and if necessary, readjust the knobs until it is working perfectly once again. If 1 or 2 extensions are required for the space you're enclosing, add the extension onto the gate before installing. It is important to install your Dreambaby gate precisely to the instructions enclosed with each gate. Read all of the warnings, installation instructions, maintenance and care information before installing. And remember to keep the instructions in a safe place for future reference.